Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for reserve rights token. You guys can see that we do have a prediction on our chart. We were looking for the market to go down back in May, almost June time frame, and it did that. So now I'm back to see if reserve rights will continue to lift up higher. You guys can see that we do have a lot of buy signals that was triggered over the last couple of days, and that is precisely where the market has gone. It has went higher. Let's try to figure out how high it's going to go. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. This is what we do here. We just do price predictions, looking for the more likely direction into which price is going to go. So, pretty good call right there. 21.27% was hit on the 21st of June. The price prediction was concluded on the 30th of May. So now, let's get rid of that. Let's clean up this chart. We're going to get rid of these buy pockets here in the market for reserve rights because those buyers ultimately did not hold price at those levels. Instead, it decided to hold it here where buyers were already back in the beginning of March of this year. Currently, you guys can see that we are trending. The market here in reserve rights with a lot of altcoins is trending up higher. So we will get rid of this sell pocket here. And now price is nearing the next pocket, which is around 1 penny. Now, you already know what to expect. So don't be shocked. Don't question. Don't say, well, why in the world is this cryptocurrency going down? Because this is the reason right here. We have an area to where we are suspecting there to be more sellers than there would be buyers to hold price or to keep price from going higher. The last time we saw reserve rights at this price around a penny was back in May. And immediately you guys can see how fast price reacted and came down. So expect the same. Now, we're not saying that these sellers within this pocket is going to do a wonderful job at keeping the buyers at bay. No, because the current trend is definitely strong here in the market for reserve rights. You guys can see it right there. Okay. It's strong. We're definitely trending into the market in reserve rights, and we're going to continue to follow that notion until we see these sellers grab control of price. Let's take a look at reserve rights on the 2 real quick. Okay, so look at how healthy this 2-day bar is in reserve rights. We're getting a signal already telling us that this cryptocurrency is pretty bullish, it's strong. Here it is on the 3. Same thing. We are getting another signal that this particular market in reserve rights is a buy. Now we still got 13 hours and 12 minutes, but hey, as I'm recording this, you can see what it was. Market was signifying that buyers are currently controlling the price. What about on the 4? Pretty healthy here too. It kind of gives you the shape of, or the letter V. You guys can see price went down. Came and did a quick touch, and we're shooting right back up. Here it is on the 4. I mean on the 5. Definitely looks pretty bullish here on the 5 as well too. Weekly chart. You can see how strong this current trend is, especially on the weekly time frame, that this cryptocurrency is definitely moving to the upside. So we got pockets already that we're going to be paying attention to, so we can have an idea as to where to come through and try to take profit. 2 weeks, here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And then for the month so far. Okay, quickly look at the 5-hour chart for reserve rights. We're going to create this area right here as a pocket, meaning we are going to suspect buyers to be here in the market for reserve rights. So we're gonna make that into a buy pocket. Okay, so anytime price gets a reaction of going down, we definitely will want to see these buyers in this pocket for reserve rights to hold price. We want them to keep the market propped up. We want them to hold that market there so it can continue to shoot up higher. Okay, here's another pocket on the 1-hour chart that we do like. And let's take a look at on the 330. So yeah, this market is extremely strong right now for reserve rights. So I won't be surprised to see price react here at this sell pocket. So we're going to put on the prediction though of looking for the cryptocurrencies to continue to shoot up, right? However, be prepared for the market to react to go down. This seemingly wouldn't be a good opportunity to come in and produce this prediction because we can already see that we are hitting a sell pocket right now. So we will take profit right there at the low end of this sell pocket, which is like 2.43% move up from where the market currently is trading at in reserve rights. We're going to look at it at the high of that sell pocket, which is around 5% move there. And then ultimately we're going to try to target this next sell pocket, which is 9.68% at the low end, and then 13.25, 13.5 at the high end. Okay, so let me lift this up a little bit more. All right, so that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.